Hi everyone, it's Ivy Arts again and welcome back to my channel. And as promised, I'm going to show you the tour of, or I'm going to tour you of this baby album, DIY 8x8 and 3 inches wide baby album. And this is already done, of course, just the setup, no photos or any documents yet. So this is our front cover. Oh, by the way, welcome to our channel if you're new here, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment your suggestions down below or your reactions. So here we go. So this is our front page, and I have here a denim banner. It says Miracle, 2 cells and a miracle, and then this should be the picture of the mom or dad, and then mom, and then the baby. And the verse that we are using for this album is found in 1 Samuel 1:27, which says, "For this child we prayed, and the Lord has granted us what we ask of him." Right, on this side, this is just simple M. I don't know if I'm going to put something here, but as of now, I haven't thought of anything yet. And then on the back, it's just the letters of the name, Miracle. And then this is our ribbon, so make sure you have something to, you can also put like a magnetic flap here, but I chose the ribbon because I don't have a magnet as of this time. So this is how thick it is, and everything is already decorated. And let's open it. Okay, so for our first page, we have here, I think I'm just gonna do it like that, right? So I have here 3, maybe you can put pictures here or notes or letters or what you want. So it's a pocket, and this is also a denim pocket, which I have like a cascading, probably you can put photos also there. Okay, I'll put it back. And then we have another one here. It's also the same, cascading. So the color is green, purple, and light blue. And then for the second page, I have, should I do it like that? Okay. Second page, we have this, also another triangular pocket, and you can put something here too. And then actually, for this one, you can also do it like that. Okay, but I prefer to fold it anyway. So this one right here, we have left flap, you can open it, and also on the right. So I made an error here, so you can see the triangle is here on the left side. Supposedly the triangle pocket is here, should be here on the right side, so that it will not, you know, fall. But well, it will already happen. So but if you are going to make one, it's recommended that you put it on the other side. Anyway, have that too. You can cover the back too. I actually forgot, but you can paste a photo there. An opening, and then here you can take it out. Okay, so basically the theme here are just shapes: circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and that. And then here you can put your photos for your weekly baby bumps if you want to. Okay, now here we have an inside pocket like that, and then you can put it back. So you can also put whatever documents you have here, doctor's appointment, results, and yeah, just whatever you want to put there. So you can put it back, and you can put like number here, so it's like for the first month of the baby, second month, second, third, and then fourth. So yeah, and then here for next one is, you can actually open this. So here you can put a number or a photo number, like how many months, and then another cascading part there. And then here you have a pocket. I put 1. Then you can put a photo there, a letter, and then here I have 2. So still shapes, squares, and then of course you have butterflies here. And tried my best to coordinate the colors And then here as well, so you have yellow, brown, green, something here, so you can put a photo here or a letter or whatever. And then we have two pockets actually here. So the first one, the front pocket, and then the second one here on the back as well. So there, so that's two pockets right there, if you can see it. There, two pockets. I'm just gonna put it back. One and then two. You can put it together here and put another one, whatever you want to put there. So there. And then same way, it has an inside pocket, and then we can put it back there. And the next page we have blue and green is the theme, and you can open it, so it's stripes and circles. So there, open it, and then here you can, this is an insert, look, and you can have that one like that, open it. So the insert, so in this insert you can have a pocket here. You have a pocket on the left, and then here another flap, left and right. So there. You know, just trying to have more space for one page. All right, for the next one we have this. This is like 4 pages mini album right here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you can open it to the left with another pocket here, and then here also, and then you can open it here to the left, and we have a pocket here as well, and this one you can actually remove that. Okay, all right, next would be, so the same thing, it has an inside pocket, and then we can put it back. All right, next is the blue corner. So we have here letters, alphabets, so you can put the number here, how many months, or a photo for that certain month. You can open here, open there. You can also open this side, and then you have pockets here. So I put 4 of those, and then mini ones, the small ones with a Mickey Mouse. You know where I got this from? You go to Walmart or Target, and they have that paint station or area right there, and they have sample boards for the colors. I got those from there, and then I just cut the name there. So yeah, okay, and it's free. So there, and then on the other side is this, kind of the same concept. Right here, open to the left and to the right, and then just simple pockets with 3 inserts or 2 inserts. Okay, and then same, it has an inner pocket. Okay, you can actually lay it flat, but it's just for the sake of showing it to you, I'm just holding it like that. All right, next is a yellow page. So we have that. You can open it here. 1. You can open that. And then another one. And then of course you can put something here, and then you have your pockets. I have 2 inserts, and that's it. And for this one, you can open it on the side like that. And then also you can open it going upwards like that, and then pocket as well with 2 inserts. So this is a yellow and blue theme page, and then same way it has an inside pocket. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks there. Okay, and then the blue and green page, so same pocket going up, the flap, and then going down. This is kind of the same with the other page with an insert here, but the difference is how the insert looks like. So here, as you can see, it's just plain. You can put a pocket here if you like, but photo and letter will be okay right there. So that's just simple. Put it back. And then the next page, we have this. We put the month, and then you can open it with a letter, and then photo. Open here again, and open on the right side with a pocket. So I forgot to put an insert here, but yeah, okay. And then same side pocket right there, or inside pocket. Okay, and then we're almost done. So for this one, you have, it's like a window. So you can open this, like the month again. Open 1, 2, 3, 4 windows right there. And then we have a pocket. You can put an insert there. Alright, for this one, so here it's stripes and checkered. So another board for our month number. And then on the left side we have a pocket. So this is actually the demonstration that I used for the part 3 of this video. And then here another insert, and this one is folding, what do you call it? It's a foldable, so you can open it 1 up, 2 down, 3 left, and then 4 on the other side. So it's going to be like that. Okay, so close 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then close that and close that. So same, we have a side pocket. Okay, so this is a good memorabilia for your children. All right, and then down to the last page, kind of lay it flat. So here there's a lot of things going on here. So we have like a little letter there, and another one, and another one. And then you can open it to the left, put something here. These are like pockets, triangular pockets too. And this one is glued. And then here also, you can take that one out, you can take that one out, like so, close it. And then at the very end, I just kind of like make it uniform here. Front page, back of the front page, and here's back of the back page. This is a denim like you use for the banner. Okay, and a little pocket here. It's just a very cute one. Okay, and also on the left side or on the right side, same way, like that. So I kind of did like change the pattern right there. There you go, and that's our last page. And that is our baby album, or portfolio, or folio, however you call it, scrapbook. If you want to make it bigger, you can do 10 by 10 or 8 by 11 like the regular paper size. And then total, I have 7 pages here. So it's like 1, 2, okay, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. But of course you have like total of 14 pages because times 2. And then you have 12 months. That's 1 month to 1 year. And then for the first page you can do like your baby bump photos, and then at the end would be your like more of 1-year-old photos. Okay, and then I'm just gonna close it like that. So there you go, that's our baby album. I hope you like it. If you have suggestions or questions, especially the measurements, let me know in the comment section down below. And what do you want to read in the description box? I can definitely write something there and edit it out. So thank you so much for watching, and this is again Ivy Crearts. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And there you go. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.